Good morning, everybody, and happy Monday. If you're here with me in the Discord, in the YouTube, in the Kick, in the X, anywhere, if you're somewhere, go ahead and say what's up. Let's see who's with us this morning. We have Navy Guy, Skunk Dave, Hockey Shane, Rap. We have Big Guy, Ribs Mod, Steady Turpin, Cam Dingo, Dead Cat Bounce, Sander DBE, Florida Jag, Allergic Rabbit, Phil Elliott, Noah Schwartz, Mitch to the Max, Stoley, 666, Loco, Big Guy, Trip 41, Mr. Yips, Mr. Moons, Orby. Good morning. What's happening to you? Gene, Richard Harris, Ribs Mod, Trader X, Scott H, Steve, Players Club, NLV, Crunal, Q Mendez, Paul Yoon, Trade to Win Now, Ethan, Sunrise Driver, Diane K, Faye Marie. Morning, Matt Walker, Rob, Joseph Govtime, ZSG, Trading Micro, Zen Scalper, Robert, Slapstar in the building. What's up, buddy? Slapstar, are you a power slap guy? Let me see here. You ever watch Power Slap? That your thing? What's up, Crypto Trades, Bullet Traders? Is anyone having trouble with Tradeify sending code to their email for confirmation signing their new login page? I think they're having everybody's trying to log in all at once. So I think they're having that issue right now. Let me see. I was having issues this morning. Let me see. I've yet to be able to get in the new dashboard. Let me try this here. Let me in. Nope, I don't think I'm getting in. Oh, just slapping the ask. Ah, that makes a lot of sense. Trading related. I've yet to go to a power slap show, IRL. I'd love to. Although, part of me does feel bad for the people who are participating in it, because that just seems awful. Login failed, come on. Yeah, I've yet to be able to log into the new Tradeify site, which is annoying because I want to trade on Tradeify. Come on. Yeah, I got the email and password last night. But when I try to log in with it, it says login failed. Just sits here and spins for like 10 seconds and it says login failed. That's the brand new password that they sent me. I use Windows. I use a Mac too, but right now we're on a Windows machine. So, you know, one of them things. Can log in directly to TradeIt. Yeah, I know, but I wanted to get some more accounts and stuff. You know what I mean? Well, I hate to break it to everybody, but it's going to be a terribly boring day today in the markets. When I say there's no news, it's usually not as bad as it is today. Today is just going to be pretty dang boring. Like, for real. Let me see what we got. When the earnings actually, I think it's like Wednesday or Thursday. Like, we're not gonna have good earnings until then. What's up, Stan? Ferrari Phil, Jay Prowse. Ugh, yeah. Oh. My reaction. It's summertime. What do you expect? Wednesday, we get Tesla, Alphabet, which is Google, IBM. Nobody cares about IBM. You get Intel. Yeah, boy. Yeah, pretty much Tesla and Alphabet. Google. Tesla and Google this week on Wednesday after the close. Tesla's back above 320s here. Maybe Google will do something. Maybe Google could break into 200s. That'd be wild, huh? Let's see. Look at Google's chart here. Yeah, that'd be sweet. Get it back above 200 here. That'd be rally, dude. That'd be pretty rally, dude. Pretty rally, dude. Candlebar says, good morning, Rips. How are you, bro? Or how's you, bro? Me's pretty good, dog. Had a good weekend. Had some good food. Hung out with some friends. Whatever you do, don't watch yesterday or last night's Sunday night gambling stream. We got clapped. Our cheeks caught a nice little standing O. One of these things. Don't watch it. Not worth your time. But maybe we'll do that after we get through the whole trading portion of this day. No or little news days have not been good to me recently. I may sit this one out unless PA and news shows its direction with momentum. I would highly recommend not trading it at all. In fact, this entire week is probably going to be pretty subdued. It's lacking a lot of important news. Let me see what the best day is. I think Thursday. I think Thursday's PMI and jobless claims. Let me just see. See how good I am. Yeah. Good job, Ripsy. Pat myself on the back of the head there. So let me just give you an overview here. Today, we get the leading index for June. Nobody's going to care about that. And then we get a 3 and 6 month bill auction. Nobody's going to care about that either. Let me see if I can put on a short here in wealth charts. Hold on, let me see. Where are my wealth charts? Kind of want to try a short on this break here. Where is it? Kind of want to. That might have been the best move right there. I've been like eyeing a short and I was yapping and I missed that rejection up there above 80s. Now we're at the VWAP. I don't know if it's going to be a good time anymore. Ah, gosh, I hate slow days. It really is like squeezing water out of a rock. Let me see here. So, I don't know if we want to take a trade here. Let me go over my wealth chart so you can see. There we go. We need $13,000 in each of these to pass them, so kind of want to go for it. 3 contracts on each one. Rate of the VWAP. Problem is, in these types of markets, it takes so much strength to break down, but you know what I mean? You see what I'm saying? I don't know. We have a lot of overhead supply in the S&Ps too. I would never be trading this in my personal account. These are Apex evals, so there's like levels to like where I value certain accounts. I have funding ticks straight to funded, and then what's the other ones I have? Funding ticks. Oh, and then TPTs. Yeah, so yeah, it's gonna bounce right now. All right, I'll be right back with you, folks. Don't go anywhere. I'll be back in the jiffy. And we are back. Thank goodness we didn't take that trade, huh? Did nothing. Hung around on the VWAP. Did absolutely nothing. Hey, Steady Turpin, gifting a sub. Thank you, buddy. Appreciate you. It's my 2 favorite strategies or setups. Momentum, baby, when the market's actually moving. Break and retest. Easiest thing that you could ever do. Richard Harris says, I'm long, by the way. Get him, Richard. Break and retest, probably one of the easiest strategies. So let's see, if they take out this liquidity, here in the S&Ps, that 63.49, maybe that gives a clear path to retrace back up. But boy, this market is just a bunch of nonsense, isn't it? When was the last time we even traded our AMP account, by the way? Wednesday? Anybody remember? When's the last time we traded the Percy? Must have been like Wednesday or something, huh? I don't think we traded on Thursday or Friday, did we? I was gonna trade it Friday. I almost traded it on Friday. Dang, Tuesday? Holy smokes. Yeah, see, this is the type of market we're in. This specifically, let me go back to my trading view chart. Yeah, definitely not Friday. This is just too hard for me to get behind because, like, let's just say you're short from here. This is looking real good. This is the type of stuff that pops you right out of these types of trades, and this is the range that's very thin. It's difficult to hold on a short. Now, you can have your style of trading where, you know, you're short from here and you just keep on holding it. But the thing is like, yeah, it looks like we're gonna break this and go down, but retrace back up here. It just gets low liquidity. It takes one small piece of news or one player to just really bang things around. So did a little this morning, but oh my, has been slow. Back to trading this week after a couple solid work weeks. 3,600 profit, putting together some lessons. Yeah, let's do that. That'd be dope. Made some lunch money on the move up last night. Let me see him. I mean, like, out of all this, 2 clean moves I'm seeing. Pretty much it. Not great. Oops. Excuse me. Besant's been talking all morning too. Hasn't been really saying anything of value. Oh yeah, Jerome Powell tomorrow. Let's see. Okay, so Jerome Powell tomorrow at 8:30 is going to be yapping. It'll actually be interesting to see what he has to say, given all the people yapping. Like, I wonder if he's going to clap back. Powell resigns tomorrow? Yeah, right. Good one. Bro, he's going to be here until March. I think it's March, or is it May? I think it's March of next year, March of 2026. His term is up May. Okay, I knew it was an M month. It's March, May, or February. I knew it was an M month. It was either gonna be March, May, or February. So yeah, I just knew the month started with an M. So we'll have to see. I don't think he's gonna do it. There's no way he's gonna resign. Yeah, right. Yeah, right, bro. Is this thing gonna go through 63.46 to the downside here? What's up, Misho Khan? So clicks. Powell says Trump is in the Epstein files. Yeah. And that's pretty much the kind of news cycle we're in right now. Nothing really is happening. It's just kind of like, man, boring. Equities are completely subdued right now. Like Meta's just gapped up but gone sideways. It's uncomfortable for shorts too. You can see, like, let me bring it up on this screen. That's not how you spell meta. Yeah, you can see it's gapped up and shorts are still trying to do something over here. You can see trying to push it down, and just boring stuff, man. How many shares here? 16,000 shares, really not that much for meta. Crazy boring stuff. Let's see if the NQ wants to go down like literally at all. It'd be interesting. No. This too, like, by the way, this looks like a massive move in the NQ, when in reality it's really not that massive. Like 205 to 308. It looks like it's like a 200 point move. It's not. 95 points. Or 100 points. Herbs, what do you think? A little bounce at 8:30 from the weekly open. Like, you think we're gonna get down here at 8:30? We got 10 minutes to move about 40 points. I'll take side bets on that, and we don't even get there. I'd be happy to take side bets on that. Just sticking with eternal longs, no need to catch little opposing liquidity runs. Yeah, I mean, it's just, this is the time when you take time away from day trading, because it's not really going to be doing much. If you ever wanted to go on vacation, this week is a good argument for going on vacation and not worrying about trading all that much. So there's just not going to be a lot of opportunities. Like, yes, the market is moving, but gotta have a lot of luck to nail trades in this market. ETH, bro? Sure, why not? We got nothing better to do. I mean, this is arguably worse than the NASDAQ. Why are we looking at this? No trading right now. I mean, I can't imagine the conditions are going to get much better, but that doesn't mean to say like we're not going to get breaking news that can move the market around. I'd be happy to trade a breaking news headline right now, but breaking news means exactly that, breaking news. Go on the 5. Oh, I mean, if you look further left, yeah, we have multi-day rally in Ethereum, but Bitcoin doing well too. Oh, yeah, I guess Ethereum is slightly better. Song makes me think of Wu-Tang Clan. Seen the Grinder won the main event, took him out an attorney at the Hard Rock down in Hollywood, Florida. Nice. He's a great player. That's the thing about tournaments, though. Tournaments, anybody can win. Soybeans, let's see, soybean futures. There it is, ZS. Yeah, man. Big old rally in soybean futures, incredible. Wish I was a soybean trader. More of us been away for a week. Hope things have been well. We've been killing it. Had a great week last week. Withdrew 130,000. Might have to put a little bit of that back in, but you know. Let's see if there's absolutely anything that we could be trading right now. Trying to find something. It's very, 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 very subdued this morning. This is just not it. It's caught in this channel right here. Same kind of thing we saw right here. You know? Garbage. Breakout. Breakout. Fake breakout. This is just, this ain't it. Looks like we're making a roof on a house. This is boring. Are we gonna reject here at the topping area of this channel? Who knows? Gold? Can we trade gold? Let's see. Oh, snap. Why didn't anybody tell? Where was everybody talking about this like 10 minutes ago? Golly. Come on. I thought we were homies. Well, it's not as dramatic. This is hours ago. You get with Billy Ray and trade some orange juice futures? Yeah, you should. See what they're up to. Last year was not this slow during the summer, by the way. It really wasn't. Yeah, that is a 2-hour move indeed. No, I know Trading Places, my friend. Believe me, it's one of the greatest trading movies of all time. I know Billy Ray. I get the joke. Believe me. It's just I'm bored out of my mind over here. Turn those frickin' machines back on, man. I would love that. If we could get those machines back on, I think we'd be in a better spot right now. Believe me. It's just not it. It ain't happening. Ever trade corn? I love your name, by the way. Very direct and to the point. Corn. Isn't, what's it, ZC? I mean, that doesn't look fun at all, man. That looks very thin. Horrible. We're fishing for things to trade. It's just not happening here. Hogs? Are we just gonna go through everything here? Lean hogs. Hee. Buddy, this ain't it either. Let's see, MBTC. Oh, it's just BTC. Easy enough. Yeah, there's nothing moving, dude. This is just blah. Horrible. Literally nothing. This is awful. Bonds, yeah. I guess we could throw on some in GC, I guess. I don't know. It is the only one that is actually moving, I suppose. We broke out a Monday's high and the previous week high. We are literally right where we started the show on NASDAQ. The show started and we were at 23,275. We were trading at 23,275. Soul Pump, brother. Soul Pump gives me way too much anxiety. There's way too much control in my hands, and it just tilts the ever-loving nuts off me. Yeah, we could do that. We could do liking the video portion of the day. I've had people tell me, you know, one of the reasons they like watching the show is it keeps them out of trouble. So hopefully me not trading is keeping you out of trouble. Rose, please short 100 for research purpose. I'm good, brother. I love money. Dude, if I shorted 100 right now, I would literally lose like $15,000 just on the spread. There's no, like, maybe I could push it and we'd get some momentum, but try covering 100 right now? Yeah, right, bro. Ain't never gonna happen. I had somebody saying that. They're like, oh man, I think I figured out the infinite money glitch, right? I'm not kidding. Real. This is a real conversation. And like, they're like, oh, if you just shorted 100, you'd move the market so far down that you'd be so far in the profit. Like, let's just say for some reason, like I got filled like 100 right here and then for some reason market tumbled. Well, now you're down here and it's like, brother, how do you expect to cover down here? What are you going to do to cover those 100 that you now have open? Oh, well, it's market buy. Market buy, and now you're underwater. Ferrari, fill your badge. Ew, disgusting, bro. What is that? Ugh. That's how you catch a ban hand in here. Yuck, bro. Disgusting. I'm actually disgusted. Jesus. What is that? Brother, ew. That is gross. I might just ban. Yeah, I'm thinking I ban you right now. What is that? Oh, ha ha. How did that happen? Ha ha. Oh, sure, buddy. Oh, ha ha ha. Don't know how that happened. It takes a lot of effort to change that thing. Let me tell you that right now. Oh, ha ha ha. Whoopsie. No idea what's going on here. Uh-huh. Yeah, that one. I'm glad Tradeify makes moves to a new site, but it's so scuffed I can't even log in right now. Dude, I can't even log in either. I've been trying since this morning. Yeah, didn't know what a badge was, huh? Mm-hmm, yeah. And we keep talking as it's not changed back to MZ. I get it, brother. It's fine. You want to keep it there, it's fine. Mm-hmm, that's fine. No problem, man. More people try, the worse it's gonna be. Oh, true, yeah. It's annoying, dude. I would like to get into Tradeify and get some accounts. Although, you know what? I don't need them. I don't need them today because I'm not gonna be trading them today. I don't know how to change the tag either. I'm not gonna lie. Let me see if I got any of my user settings. Appearance? No. Yeah, you got me too, buddy. I don't get it either. No, don't uninstall Discord, bro. I don't know. What do you do? Let me see. Edit profile? Oh yeah, edit profile, change nameplate. Is that it? No. Wait, sorry, my bad. Server tag, yeah. So edit profile and then change your server tag. There you go. That's it. Whatever. Not that it matters. I have nothing to talk about, so I'm picking on you, brother. That's it. Maybe if we zoom in like real tight, like this, we go into like a 10-second chart. Look at this. We can trick ourselves that things are moving like crazy. Look at that. Oh man, look at how wild and volatile this is. It's moving so much. David Pescott asks, he says, yo, Rips, why no Top Step TV anymore? Brother, I was on earlier this morning. I was on Friday, Thursday. What are you talking about? I was on every single day last week. What are you talking about, bro? Seriously? I'm on in like an hour from now? What are you talking about? Why no Top Step? What are you talking about? Brother, what? Have you not been tuning into my segment? That seems weird. You seem like somebody who tunes into this show often. You haven't seen me in a bit. Brother, you've been missing my segment. I've been on every single day. Is this the first time you've come? You know, if you've been watching this show, you tune into this show pretty often, right? I can tell right away by your questioning. You tune in pretty often here, right? You're like an avid watcher of this channel, aren't you? Right? David? Taking a break, just got back? Couldn't have been that long. What, just a break for the weekend, right? Probably was just a break for the weekend because you saw, I was on Top Step TV last week, a Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday. Every single day. Actually, they put me on for 6 hours a day on that show. Oh, a few months. Huh. That's crazy. You bought Bookmap. You got to buy the data for Bookmap there, math lover. I'm not messing with him. What are you talking about? Why would I? Oh, you're crazy. You're crazy. He's just... Hey, listen, don't mind Rips right now. He's just bored. Nothing of what he's saying is true. Don't. He's just having fun. Yeah, if you math lover, if you got Bookmap, you got to get the data, my friend. I wish there was something going on in these markets, but I tell you, there's not. I'm sorry, but if you want to see a more subdued market than NASDAQ, by the way, look at what the S&Ps have been doing. When did we go live? Oh my God. This is when we went live. Dude, this is insane. These are ticks. Each one of these blocks is a tick in the S&Ps. We have traversed a total of, what is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 ticks? That's the range that we've had, 11 ticks in the S&Ps. In 30 minutes. This is so bad. How many push-ups can I do? About 69 on a given Monday. Has funding ticks noted when the end of the promo is? I think today, actually. I got my my $300,000 worth of funding ticks stuff. I'm up $1,600 in each account. What's up, Claw95? You passed TPT. Nice work there, Yama. Remember, when you're in the Pro, it is trailing drawdown until you get to Pro Plus, so please take it nice and slow like. In a short MNQ 299, are you out of your mind? Let me see. 2.9. Well, that's pretty good. That's probably the most points you're gonna get today. I'm just kidding. Dang, bro. Been in that short for 2 hours. I guess if you would have closed it here, you'd be up more than you are now. What's up, Mike? Nolan says, morning, buddy. I think I got whacked with that junk you caught a couple weeks ago. Feel like dog crap. I'm pretty sure it was COVID. I forgot about that. Yeah, I never get sick in the summer. I'm pretty sure that was COVID. Had to be, because then my wife caught it. Oh, it was awful. I hope that like buffed up my immune system for the next 2 years. I hope so. Yeah, Funding Ticks is 35% off right now on all accounts. I don't know how long that's gonna last. I'm pretty sure I got an email this morning saying that it's almost over. Let me see if there's like details about when it's done here. Only a few hours remaining. It'd be nice if you told us when. Well, only a few hours remaining an hour ago. So if you're thinking about using Funding Ticks, code RIPS will get you 35% off. I like it so far. Obviously, I haven't gotten a payout. This is day, I've had 2 trading days in them. Let me see here. Where's my calendar here? Yeah, I've had 2 profitable days. 1,400 and then 144 bucks. So, not bad. I need to get 5 more trading days in these bad doggers. That's it. 5 more trading days and then I can take a payout. And you'd be like, oh, why aren't you trading it right now? Because the market's not well, now it is. Market just moved 7 points there. We actually took out the liquidity above in the S&Ps there, but nothing really amazing. What's up, Dr. Momentum? Yeah, I had the flu there.
Somebody help me.
We're at the VWAP again. I guess this is a bad month. Quit your job and go full time. Dude, don't tell me that's what you did, please. Listen, it's going to pick back up in the fall and the winter for sure, but quitting your job during the summer to trade full time? Oh no. How many years have you been consistently profitable? That would be my next question for you. What's up, Lito? Yeah, I got the bioengineered flu, whatever the heck that is, whenever that was. Yeah, I wouldn't be quitting a job unless I had 3+ years of consistent profitability as a trader. Like only focus, like full-time trading. I'd be like, I need 3 years back to back to back of these are some sick tax returns from trading alone. That's what I'd be doing. I would not be focusing trading full-time otherwise. I've been consistently profitable in my job for years, which is great because I'm trash at trading. I love the candor there. Ding, 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 ding. Hold on one second. What's up, Cheese Blitz? How do you use the 4-hour low in your trading? It's a target. Oh, we're actually getting some movement now. Somebody woke up. I don't know why. It's not like a specific time, but let me see if we can. Where's my wealth chart? See, I don't even have anything open right now. It's crazy. Got to be some headlines coming out here. Something. Because we're breaking pretty heavily. This is the first time that I've seen the market doing anything this morning. We weren't right for that liquidity in the S&Ps. Let's roll them. Microsoft a little bit, I guess. All right, we'll see what happens when this bounces. I'll be right back. I'm not going anywhere. Don't go anywhere. I'll be right back. All right, we're back. See, getting up and walking away is a good little hack right now. Because this market sucks. Dude, I guess our short would have worked, but like we would have taken a lot of heat on it. Like this one up here, but nothing doing. We are 13 minutes still, 12 minutes from the top of the hour. God, such a slow market. The purpose of market makers should be there to fill orders. So where are the market makers where the market makers are thin? They're on vacation. They want to build up positions getting off sides. Like, they're not going to be in these intraday areas to provide liquidity. Instead, they're going to be at the extensions, meaning that like there could be a whole bunch of them that are buying at this previous 4-hour low, or they could be buying at Monday's low, or they could be net selling up here, most of the majority. Right? You can just look at the volume profile and see where most of the volume is. Have a decent amount of volume here, but most of the volume is down here because that's where we traded on Friday. You know? Kind of setup you're looking for if you choose your personal over prop. I mean, I need more liquidity in the market, my brother. Is today the day where we all just turn off our MC tags and do other tags? I don't know what's going on here. I feel betrayed. In Monaco, enjoying the summer. There you go. Monaco's the place to be. Trade advice working out. Let me try it. Come on, let me in. Oh, there we go. Hey, hello. Yahtzee, baby. Thank you for whoever said. Who is that? Candle bars. Thank you. What a legend you are. Somebody who's finally out. Should I just end the Discord stream? What has happened? I'm surrounded by traders. I'm so disappointed. Just close up shop over there. You don't have the tag, brother. I'm just gonna turn off that stupid tag. I pay good money for that. Like $10 a month. Traitors. There's traders that are traitors. Everybody who's talking in MC today is not rocking the MC tag. I don't know. Okay, now send me the email, please, because now I'm like locked out. We've sent a code to your email. How long is it going to take for them to send the code to my email? Kind of annoying. Meta selling? Is it though? What are you talking about? Meta's not selling. Doo-doo-dee. Yeah, there's a cost to that. Oh, look at Ferrari Phil. You came back to the right side of things. You're on the right side of history, my friend. I'm just messing around, dude. I literally, like, this is me having nothing to talk about. So I'm picking fights with everybody. I have nothing to talk about here. Just making jokes. I was up 500, then my girlfriend calls and instantly goes negative. Every time it stops out, so annoying. Tell her it might be time. That's the Lord up top trying to tell you to break up with your girlfriend. Time for Celsius number 2, brother. Listen, I sneak these things in here. I snuck number 2 in. This is already number 2. Yeah, Savia, it's time to get rid of her, my friend. It's time to get rid of that bird. Rivers, do you have a course on how you trade? No, I do not. Oh, what is it? Stop. Wait, hold on. That took me forever with Tradify. I'll tell you the one-time password is wrong, but refresh the page and it took me to the dashboard. Nope. It's a confirm your email thing. Let me try resend code. Okay, I'm trying to resend the code now. Dude, their server must. Oh. Hold on. Hold the phone. Hey, we're in. What am I paying for? Why do I have to pay $0? What is going on? Does it bring you to a checkout page too? I don't want to. I'm not buying anything. Get out of here. Okay. Looks okay to me now. Wait, now I need to change my password, right? We're doing all fun stuff in here, right? Hopefully this works. Wow, we're rolling now. Come on, somebody's got to tell me these things. Cool. All right, we're into that one. Certainly not a robot, I don't think. Okay. Okay, golly. Yeah, I see that now. Now the NQ wants to give us some juice when I'm not paying attention. But when we're staring at the market, it's like, we got nothing going on here, brother. Trading, so much fun. It's still 5 minutes to the top of the hour, too. That's what's wild. All right, I'm gonna do another lap. Be right back. Dude, I thought for sure we are gonna take a lap and it was gonna like bounce, but I was way wrong. Wait, you did what and you shut what down? You said what now? We are breaking down that area, dang. In retrospect, it looks like a beautiful short. We're looking at short in the VWAP earlier, but guess everybody had the same idea. Maybe we go all the way down to Monday's low here. But yeah, I've been messing around with that stupid dashboard thing too. But like I can't I don't get it. Dun, 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 dun. There's a lot of people stepping into this thing, that's for sure. Mountains or hills? Yeah, those look like mountains. Stairs, okay, these look like stairs. Brother, come on. I hate captures. Anybody actually enjoy these things? I certainly do not. Mm-hmm. Do do do. I mean, it looks cool, but was it really needed? We don't know what's going on in the back end, you know what I mean? I liked the original dashboard, I'm not gonna lie. I liked what they had. I did like what they had, so I don't know. You're asking me. I'm the wrong person to ask, you know what I mean? Oh yeah, this is where the Globex open. Got a little short there. Nice, buddy. Very nice. I mean, that was the nicest move in the whole. That's the thing too, is like I didn't expect that to happen, because if I did, I would have cracked open the Percy on that. I was not expecting that at all. There's your 9 a.m. liquidity. Somebody's jumping in here. Somebody's closing something. How big? Looks like somebody closed like 200, 300 contracts here. Yeah, just about. Wow, they're still going. This has got to be some closing contracts here. NQ drilling like a UK rapper. That's funny. Almost a 4-hour trade. That's beautiful, buddy. Got a lot more patience than me. Oh, they're back. Dude, angry sellers, bro. That's insane. Angry sellers. That was crazy. Furious anger. Can we get below the weekly open? Survey says, can you kick it? Yes, I can. Can you drill it? I don't know, maybe. Wow, there's a lot of sellers still. I wonder if this is the floor though, or if we could actually go down like below those 20s, because this could absolutely be the floor here. As I'm saying that, we're drilling, so still very thin. See if we break below these 30s again. See, if it melts through these 30s, I think that we can trade down to those 20s, but it's going to have to get through a little bit of liquidity here at these 30s first. And it looks like the sellers are kind of relaxing-ish. Curious to see. Nobody wants to be the one who drills down to 230 first, I guess. Is just kind of holding there. Let's see what happens here. $230s are holding for now. We take out 227 halves. Good afternoon there, Ross. Where are you located, buddy? Where does the afternoon? I wonder who was in the way of running 220 down there. It's not as impressive as you think, but hey, it was something. Who was in the way of that? I just wanted that. Whatever. Anyway. Who cares? That pays for like 2 lunches at Chips. I'm out of the way now. Now it can drop. I'm out of the way. Drop it like a rock. Drop it like it's hot. We got 22 minutes till the market's open. So you had the new Whoop for more than a month. Any dislikes? No. This thing's awesome. I think I've charged it like 4 or 5 times, maybe, or 4 times, maybe. I don't know. Let's see. I forgot to do my journal. Let me do my journal here. Dude, no, I was making a joke. It was me holding it up. That was the joke, Travis. It was me. I was the buyer. Anyway. Too early for jokes this morning. Doing some slots today on Kick? Brother, yes. Obviously. It is. Yes. Yes. I just had to check. I have a pulse. Let's see here. Oh, good. I had a nice recovery. Yeah, I'm at 40% battery right now. Yeah, dude, I barely charge this thing and it just has infinite juice. It's crazy. It is awesome. I need to ban Union Jacks from my chat? Nah, it's fine. Any poker lately? Tomorrow is when that episode of season 7, episode 1, Poker Go showed No Gamble, No Future is streaming tomorrow. I think we're gonna do a watch party on Kick tomorrow afternoon. Did you trade the purse? Yeah, I think that's what this is. Pretty sure. We didn't make much. Something. How many lost your trade? This was a 483 contract position, as you could tell. 10 contracts, my friend. 10 contracts. 2 clips of 5 and then little trimmies. 10 contracts. Not a lot. Why so small? Listen, I'm not your wife, brother. I'm not gonna speak like how your wife does to you. Let's keep it clean in here. It's a morning show. Watch for a long here off the Asia low. Hopefully catch a decent trade and go back to bed. That would be a good idea. I wouldn't be mad about that. Short from 272 out of the weekly open. Nice stand. See, that's a trade I wish I would have taken. You know, there's actual movement there. Like on Bookmap, this is what it was right here. That. Can't even whistle this morning. Throwing the headphones on and hearing, I won't talk to you like, hey, stop. Good morning. Oh, wait, I'm gone. Sorry. Hello. Sorry. I erased myself. What are those blue arrows? What do you mean? Those are my buys. The red arrows are me opening, and the blue arrows are me closing. It's, I don't know, whatever. It's nothing. ES bounce at PDEQ 6340, NQ PDQ 23245. Yeah. I mean, we just got this overhead supply. I don't know. We missed the good move. We missed the whole big move. We got the little reflex. That was it. I know I need to walk away. Got some banger sativa. Got me going places. Nice, brother. Sativa will get you nice and jacked, right? Nice. Vadim, you got your tag. Good man. Want a free month for that? I think that's fair. I'm gonna give you a free month. Repping that tag like that? Why not? Get you back in here. Why not, bro? You know what I'm saying? Why wouldn't I? Have you ever had a part of your body twitching for like 5 days straight? Is it just me? I've had my arm twitching for like my tricep. I didn't even work it out that hard, but it's been twitching for like the last 5 days, just randomly. Just starts twitching. I hate that. Don't tell me it's like, you gotta drink more water. Brother, I drink a lot of water. I drink like 20 liters a day. Celsius twitch. Low magnesium. How do I get magnesium naturally? Isn't that in steak? There you go, Vadim. You're good, buddy. Welcome back. Thanks for repping the tag, dude. My man. Bro, I eat so much red meat, it's not even funny. Potassium. Brother, I eat so much. I eat so much good food. Hey, we made it lower there. How about that? That would have been nice. All right, let's get this market open. We got 15 minutes till the market open here. I think it's time to do me a quick little favor here. Let's get on over to Kick. We're up. We're going to end the YouTube stream. We made $1,300. Who cares? Couldn't care less. Very, very small, tiny little trade. Whatever. It takes a little bit of the edge off, I guess, you know. So that's where we're going, folks. If you're here on YouTube, click that link. It'll bring you over to Kick. Make sure you check us out over there. That's where the party's at. If you ever had that question, you know, I know Jagged Edge was actually struggling with that question for a while. They were actually asking it multiple times in a song. They said, where the party at? It's over on Kick. Click that link. Click that link over. And I'll see you all over on Kick. Take care. I'll see you folks. If you don't want to join us over on the Kick, well, I'll see you here on YouTube tomorrow. Take care. Bye. See ya. Bye. Bye-bye.